this vlog will do the main tourist attractions of Istanbul. Most people come here for. And now we are going from Hagia Sophia Sultan Ahmet, which is behind us. We are taking the tram to go to Galata Tower. We arrived to Galata Bridge with a tram. This is the very famous bridge where you can see fishermen catching fish every day. And downstairs on the bridge, which has 2 floors, you can find restaurants and a lot of street food with fish. From Galata Bridge is very easy to reach Galata Tower. You just have to go up all the way until you see the tower.
Şeyimi kırdım. Ne oldu?
Galata Tower is one of the most iconic symbols of Istanbul. It also features to be one of the highest and oldest towers of the city. An admission fee to enter the tower is 30 Turkish liras, which is approximately €3.
Open your bag.
Galata Tower has dominated Beyoğlu's skyline since 1348 and still offers one of the best panoramic views of the city. The original name of the Galata Tower was the Tower of Christ, and its height is 67 meters, which makes it one of the high point of the city walls of the Genoese colony called Galata. Most of the walls are long gone, but the great tower with its almost 4 meters thick walls still remains. The views from the Galata Tower are breathtaking. You should go there just to see the beautiful peninsula of the old town. Story says that in 1638, a man called Hazafren Ahmet Çelebi attached wings to his body and flew across the Bosphorus to Üsküdar. No one says why he did that, and there is either no information if he survived. For those who have been to Galata Tower before know how crowded it gets here. Well, now you can have a photo with a view without other people, and you can actually have a relaxed walk inside, which is super plus taking into consideration the circumstances again. After visiting Galata, make sure to have a beautiful walk in amazing Beyoğlu district, and of course we couldn't help but come to the shop that we liked and buy some magnets, with an interesting surprise that happened to us. Have you ever seen how the magnets are handmade? We just entered a random shop, and here is the process of magnet making, exclusively for my channel.
What the
And from that district it's very easy to head to Taksim Square and to Istiklal Street, which we did. Taksim Square is probably one of the main squares in Istanbul, located in Beyoğlu district. It is the European part of Istanbul, and this is the place where a lot of tourists and locals get together. Also, right next to the square there's Istiklal Street, where we are walking now, and this street has many bars, nightclubs, movie theaters. It is pedestrian and it is open almost 24 hours a day, not during COVID, unfortunately.
Gül dedim hadi.
And of course, the symbol of Istanbul are cats. They are everywhere and they are sacred here. The red tram, very famous postcard image that you have probably seen in Istanbul, is not as famous as cats but still worth visiting. I'm now in Taksim. This is the most central square and this is the hidden yard. Look how empty it is. All the restaurants are closed. No people, and this is really sad. Flower Passage is a famous historical arcade containing many cafes, restaurants and wineries. The arcade originally contained a theater which was destroyed in a fire. After the Russian Revolution in 1970, many formerly wealthy Russian women sold flowers here, giving the area its name. This is an exquisite feat of architecture that you can enjoy either by strolling through on a leisurely journey through Istiklal Street or by sitting and enjoying meal or a beverage under its domed roof. When you're on Istiklal Street and you see Mado, make sure to go inside and to try their handmade beautiful ice cream made of goat milk. They have a beautiful terrace where you can enjoy an amazing view. The food there is good as well. And you can see here the view to Topkapı Palace. Came to Dolmabahce Palace. Finally we found it, but the thing is that it is closed after 4 p.m. and it's 4:30 I think, so we cannot enter inside, just on the territory. By the way, they took my tripod away and they took my microphone.